So now guys, I'm gonna show you two useful things about exporting your project in hitfilm Express. I know that most of you know this, but this is especially for beginners. The first thing that I will show you is that you can export only a part of your project, a specific part of your project. Let's say this video, and this is from the last tutorial about how to make 4 splits video inside one. As you can see, you can check it out. I'll leave it in the description below. So what we're gonna do is to come to the beginning right here, and there is dark line right here. We're gonna drag this like that and make an endpoint, as you can see right here, and we're gonna drag this also from the right side, and we selected only this area that you're seeing. And when we came to the export panel right here, there is 2 options, as you can see, in and out area, and if we choose this, it will export only the area that we chosen. So now we come to the second thing. When we try to export our project, always came in the horrible name editor 5 or 10 or something. So we click add this, and we're gonna change the name to any name we want, so that we can directly upload it to YouTube under the name that we want, and that make a major difference when you upload it on YouTube, trust me. So that's all for me guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. And if there is anything you want me to do a tutorial about, all you have to do is to write me in the comment section below. So I guess I will see you in the next tutorial. See ya.